Step into the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.